There's a couple of easy ways to take screenshots on an Android phone like this Samsung Galaxy here. The first and maybe the most common way is to use the physical buttons, locate the lock button, and the volume down button on the side of your phone. You'll press those two simultaneously and your phone will take a screenshot. Make sure your timing is right because if you don't press them at the same time, it's not going to work. I'm pretty good at this and even I mess it up sometimes. After your screenshot, you'll get a little preview in the bottom left corner, which you can tap to edit or share it. If you wait long enough, it'll go away, but don't worry. That same screenshot will be saved in your gallery where you can access it anytime to view, edit, or share it. Some people find the physical buttons a little tricky to work with because the timing has to be just right. And that is when our alternative screenshot method comes in handy. When you're ready to screenshot, first swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. This will open the quick settings. Expand these toggles up here and look for a button for taking screenshots. Tap that, and your phone will automatically take a screenshot. Once again, you'll see a preview in the bottom left corner, and if you tap that, you can view, edit, and share your screenshot. If your quick settings don't have the button for screenshots, you can add it. Just go back to the quick settings and tap the little pencil icon on the top of your screen. Then tap Edit and look at the available buttons on the bottom of your screen. Anything that's not already included in your quick settings can be added from here. And that's how you take screenshots on a Samsung Galaxy phone running Android. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and take a look at my Android playlist for more easy and quick guides like this. Thanks all, and I hope to see you in the next video.